Oh my goodness.
This is a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and mornings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on Weather Radio. We now return to normal programming.
This is no weather radio station J57 in South Bend and KZZ36 in North Webster. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 11:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.